Welcome back to another adventure, Colorado, Winter Park. Mary Jane, baby. It is almost June. May, what's the date today, guys? May 21, May 22, end of May, almost June. And we're setting up for a spring beach day at the old Winter Park Mary Jane. Stay tuned, it's gonna be an awesome day.
I told you wouldn't regret it. I was like, dude, whale tails are hella fun, and the best place for them is spring slush. Like, there's no better place other than maybe a deep powder. How do you like that board? It was great.
Working on that tail press. Oh, Bessie boy's at the bar. Bessie boy's at the wrong bar. Dude, Besh. Hey, Bessie boy, can you hear me?
Just like that, the May that keeps giving, keeps on giving. It's actually snowing. It's actually snowing. Crazy. My man's in a t-shirt. So, alright, well,
That's why you're just...
it is what it is.
my god. You didn't record!
They're not catching it.
No, you didn't.
Oh my god.
Henry, you want to bomb this section right here.
The what?
You want to bomb this section.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you want to go as fast as we possibly can.
That's fine.
Here we go. He's a surfer. He's a surfer. Surf that thing, Henry.
There's any, honestly. It's a whole bunch now, isn't it? Oh, really?
All right. What a freaking fun day. Slush, nuking pow, a little bit of rain, changing conditions, new boards, Henry killing it. Freaking steak tacos on the griddle. Couldn't ask more from an awesome spring day, man.
Sweet spot.
All right.
Name.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.